Hi, this is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to introduce you how to open the box of D36 and also have an initial setup. It's really simple and easy. Right in front of us is the packing of D36. We need to open the top by cutting the straps and also the tab. Then we can open the top up. Then we can lay it down, drag the wheelchair out. We have already got the wheelchair taken out from the box. Right now, we just simply hold the top of the seat back for opening the wheelchair. It's really simple. Just lay it to the front. It will go automatically. In 1 second, you can open the wheelchair. Once you take out the wheelchair from the box, please check you have a cushion. You have charger in the box, and also you got a controller too. And right on the back of seat back, you can find a bag with user's manual and safety belts and some simple tools for you available in the future. Connect the controller by insert the pipe into the frame here, and then turn the knob to tight, connect the wire. It's all set. Let's put the seat cushion on the top. Wheelchair has free wheel mode that allows you to push the wheelchair by hand. You need to push the lever to the up. That allows you to have hand control for the wheelchair. And also you can have electric control. Simply just push the lever down. To flip up the armrest, you need to pull up the knob here and then flip up the armrest. It's really simple and easy. That allows you to access from the side to the wheelchair, and then push the armrest down, turn the power on. You can go to the front, to the back. To charge the battery is really easy. There are two ways. First of all, you can just connect the power wire here and then connect to the power source as you want. You can charge it at your home or any power source. We have two batteries which is built inside the frame. You need to touch the red button in order to slide out the battery here, and also this one here. Battery actually is for off-board charge. It's really simple and easy. You just take out the battery and also connect the power wire to here. You can charge everywhere with the power source at your home or any restaurant. For the wheelchair, it's really simple and easy. We just need to touch the folding mechanism here. There's a red button that you push the seat back at the same time. Hold one hand on the frame of the seats and the other hand here. Both hands push towards the center. I think it's just 1 second that you can finish that. Thank you very much for choosing JBH Wheelchair. We have all the information listed on the user's manual, and also if you want more detail, we have full information on YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.